Welcome back to the channel. If you have been working with vector graphics in Inkscape, you have likely run into the frustration of trying to connect separate paths or close open nodes. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to join points in Inkscape, which is a fundamental skill for creating complex shapes, cleaning up your vector work, and ensuring your fills behave correctly. If this tutorial helps you speed up your design workflow, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional graphic design tips. Let us dive in. First, you need to prepare your workspace. Start by selecting the paths you want to modify using the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing the S key on your keyboard. It is crucial to remember that if your objects are basic shapes like rectangles or circles, Inkscape will not let you directly edit their nodes as paths. To fix this, go to your top menu, select Path, and click on Object to Path, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. This converts your geometric shape into a flexible path. Next, I highly recommend enabling snapping by pressing the percentage key. This ensures that your points align perfectly, which is essential for a clean result. Now let us look at the first scenario, combining paths. If your points are currently on two entirely separate objects, you need to bring them into one path container. Select both objects and press Ctrl+K to combine them. Without this step, your node tool will only interact with one object at a time. Once combined, switch to the node tool by pressing N. If you have two overlapping points you want to fuse, simply drag one point until it snaps directly onto the other. Once they are perfectly aligned, click and drag your cursor to box select both of these overlapping points. Look at the Tool Controls bar at the top of your interface and click the Join Selected Nodes icon. This effectively merges them into a single cohesive unit. If you need to connect two endpoints with a brand new segment, the process is slightly different. With the node tool still active, hold the Shift key and click on both of the separate endpoints you want to connect. Once they are both highlighted, look at the Tool Controls bar again and click the icon that says Join Selected End Nodes with a new segment. This will automatically draw a line connecting them. Remember that joining the two endpoints of a single path actually closes that path, which is the secret to applying a fill color. If the result looks a bit odd, you can refine the point type by selecting the node and clicking the cusp or smooth node icons in the top bar. Keep these shortcuts handy. N for the node tool, Ctrl+K to combine, and Ctrl+Shift+C to convert your objects. Practice this a few times and you'll find your vector editing becomes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Inkscape guides.